Hello everyone, I'm Jimmy. Today, I'd like to introduce a multifunctional wallet that I've spent 2 years developing. Magic has always been a part of my life, and I love performing on the streets, sharing magic with different people. At the same time, I've always been searching for a practical tool, something that can truly be used in real-world performances to achieve the effects I've imagined. After 2 years of development and refinement, I finally created it. This utility device features 3 core functions. First, you can perform a pick. Second, you can make small objects instantly appear inside a wallet. Third, you can switch the contents of a card.
Wow.
Starting from 2023, I began exploring the idea. Could I design a wallet capable of achieving multiple types of magic effects? After using the initial version for some time, I started to think further. Is it possible to allow small objects to naturally appear inside the wallet as well? However, the structure at that time was still too compact. So in 2025, I redesigned it from the ground up and finally made it possible. Thank you for your support. I hope this multifunctional wallet in your hands will bring even more moments of astonishment to your audience.